The 570. This is sometimes a temperamental lock. Let me see how it's going to be today. I'm going to attempt to pick it with Jimy Longs half diamond. Got that quite a while ago and I never used it. It's a pristine pick. And I'm going to see if I can use it now. Never used a half diamond before. Okay. There it goes. And my first pick was a half diamond, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Okay. That ain't pristine no more. Thank you. That was my trick for today.